Welcome to Microbe World. We have tried shaving, harsh chemicals, and kitchen lemons to completely destroy the bacteria on our bodies. But what if, instead of destroying them, we simply replace the old bacterial army with a completely new, much better one? This might sound exactly like a strange science fiction movie, but dedicated scientists are currently leading a fascinating biological revolution today. Welcome to the groundbreaking world of armpit bacterial transplants, a revolutionary method being developed by top researchers in America and Europe. Are you finally ready to completely change your entire microbiome and embrace a totally new way of managing natural body odor? Let us recall our previous episodes where we learned that bad body odor is not actually your fault in any way. The true culprits are those nasty microbial neighbors living on your skin, particularly the notorious and highly active species called Corynebacterium. Conversely, some incredibly lucky individuals are naturally born with a wonderfully fresh microbiome, where beneficial bacteria dominate and prevent foul odors. These naturally fresh people possess a unique bacterial ecosystem that effortlessly maintains a pleasant scent without needing any artificial chemical interventions. The brilliant idea is quite simple, yet revolutionary for modern science and personal hygiene management in our rapidly advancing technological society. Researchers carefully extract specific bacteria from the underarm area of a person who naturally lacks any unpleasant body odor their life. Usually, this ideal donor is a close biological sibling who shares very similar genetics and skin characteristics with the recipient patient. Scientists then carefully transplant these healthy, odor-free microbes directly into the underarm region of someone who struggles with severe body odor. The primary goal of this fascinating procedure is to allow these beneficial bacteria to successfully invade and conquer new skin territory. These good microbes will actively fight against the odor-causing bacteria, eventually defeating them and establishing a completely new and sustainable order. This process is remarkably similar to how doctors currently use gut microbiome transplants to effectively treat various complex digestive diseases today. Except in this unique scenario, we are performing a highly specialized transplant of beneficial bacteria specifically targeted for your underarm skin. At major academic institutions like the University of California, San Diego, brilliant researchers are continuously pushing the boundaries of dermatological science. Simultaneously, prominent research institutes located in Belgium are also conducting extensive clinical trials to thoroughly test this revolutionary bacterial transplant methodology. The initial results from these controlled clinical trials have been absolutely astonishing and have completely exceeded the expectations of leading scientists. Patients who underwent this innovative procedure experienced a highly significant and noticeable reduction in their daily body odor almost immediately afterwards. What is truly remarkable is the incredibly long-lasting effectiveness of this biological treatment compared to traditional cosmetic products available on shelves. The positive effects of a single bacterial transplant can easily last for several months, and sometimes even for an entire year. During this extended period, the treated individuals completely stopped using any conventional chemical deodorants or antiperspirants to manage their body odor. This represents a massive paradigm shift in how we approach personal hygiene, moving away from harsh chemicals toward natural, biological harmony. Instead of utilizing strong antibiotics or harsh alcohol sprays to completely eradicate every single microorganism living on your delicate underarm skin, this innovative method actively maintains optimal skin health by preserving and encouraging the rich biodiversity of gentle, beneficial bacteria on you. We are essentially creating a natural probiotic shield for your skin, allowing healthy microbes to thrive while keeping bad ones away. Imagine a fascinating future, perhaps just 10 years from now, where our entire approach to personal fragrance and body odor changes. Instead of purchasing a traditional glass bottle of liquid perfume to spray onto your skin, you will buy something entirely different. You will confidently purchase a small, specialized vial containing millions of living, genetically optimized, and highly fragrant bacteria for daily use. You will gently apply these living microorganisms directly onto your underarms, where they will establish a permanent and thriving biological colony. These incredible engineered microbes will peacefully live on your skin's surface, constantly feeding on the natural sweat produced by your body. As they consume your sweat, these brilliant bacteria will continuously release the delightful and refreshing scent of blooming roses or sandalwood. This amazing biological process will occur naturally and continuously, providing you with a beautiful, personalized fragrance 24 hours a day, forever. This visionary concept truly represents the absolute pinnacle of highly personalized biotechnology that ambitious American scientists are currently striving to achieve. The ongoing war against natural body odor is no longer a brutal campaign of complete microbial destruction and harsh chemical warfare. Instead, it has beautifully evolved into a profound journey of scientific understanding, biological harmony, and peaceful coexistence with our microscopic neighbors. From the primitive, coarse underarm hair of our prehistoric ancestors to the highly advanced bacterial transplant technologies of our bright future, the magnificent human body has consistently proven itself to be an incredibly complex, resilient, and truly miraculous microscopic universe of possibilities. Let us dive much deeper into the fascinating laboratory procedures where these incredible bacterial transplant experiments are meticulously conducted by experts. Inside these sterile, state-of-the-art research facilities, scientists wear protective suits while carefully analyzing the complex microbial communities found on human skin. They utilize highly advanced genomic sequencing machines to properly identify every single bacterial strain present in the donor's healthy microbiome ecosystem. This precise genetic mapping allows researchers to completely isolate the most beneficial and effective bacterial warriors needed for a successful transplant. Once isolated, these magnificent good bacteria are carefully cultivated in specialized, nutrient-rich environments to rapidly multiply and build a massive army. The preparation of the recipient's skin is equally crucial, requiring a thorough but gentle cleansing process to temporarily reduce existing microbes. This creates a perfectly clear biological canvas, allowing the newly transplanted beneficial bacteria to quickly establish themselves without facing overwhelming competition. The actual application process is surprisingly simple, often involving a gentle swab of the cultivated bacterial solution directly onto underarm skin. Within just a few short hours, these microscopic pioneers begin to actively attach themselves to the sweat glands and hair follicles. They rapidly consume available nutrients, effectively starving out any remaining odor-causing bacteria that desperately try to reclaim their lost skin territory. This microscopic battle for survival and dominance occurs completely unnoticed by the human host, who simply enjoys feeling fresh and clean. Medical professionals closely monitor the brave volunteers during these extended clinical trials to accurately document any changes in their body odor. The volunteers are frequently asked to wear special cotton pads under their arms to carefully collect sweat samples for laboratory analysis. Independent olfactory experts, commonly known as professional sniffers, are also employed to objectively evaluate the intensity and pleasantness of the scent. Their highly trained noses provide invaluable data that perfectly complements the complex chemical analysis performed by advanced laboratory equipment during studies. The overwhelming consensus from both human judges and sophisticated machines confirms the undeniable success of these revolutionary bacterial transplant procedures globally. This incredible scientific breakthrough offers immense hope to millions of people worldwide who suffer from chronic, socially debilitating body odor conditions. For many individuals, severe body odor can cause extreme psychological distress, leading to severe social anxiety, terrible depression, and profound isolation. Traditional medical treatments often provide only temporary relief and can sometimes cause severe skin irritation or other highly unpleasant physical side effects. Bacterial transplants offer a completely natural, highly effective, and deeply permanent biological solution to this incredibly common and frustrating human problem. As we look toward the exciting future of personal care, the immense potential applications for living microbial products seem almost limitless. Cosmetic companies are already investing heavily in extensive research to develop commercial versions of these incredible bacterial treatments for consumer use. We might soon see specialized skincare clinics offering customized microbial mapping and personalized bacterial transplant services to their elite clients. Imagine walking into a luxury boutique and carefully selecting a specific bacterial strain designed to perfectly complement your unique body chemistry. You could effortlessly choose a specialized microbe that specifically enhances your natural pheromones, making you subconsciously more attractive to romantic partners. Or perhaps you might prefer a highly engineered bacterial strain that naturally repels annoying mosquitoes while simultaneously keeping your skin fresh. The incredible intersection of advanced biotechnology, modern personal hygiene, and luxury cosmetics is creating an entirely new and highly lucrative industry. However, strict regulatory agencies must carefully evaluate the long-term safety and potential environmental impact of releasing these genetically modified microbes everywhere. We must ensure that these powerful living treatments do not accidentally disrupt our natural immune systems or cause unforeseen ecological consequences. Despite these valid concerns, the remarkable progress made in this fascinating scientific field is genuinely inspiring and completely undeniable to researchers. We are slowly transitioning from the dark ages of harsh chemical warfare against our bodies into a bright era of cooperation. By deeply understanding and warmly embracing the complex microscopic life forms that naturally inhabit our skin, we unlock incredible medical possibilities. Our bodies are not isolated fortresses to be aggressively defended, but rather thriving, dynamic ecosystems meant to be carefully nurtured always. The tiny invisible microbes living on your skin are actually your most loyal allies in the continuous daily fight against odor. So the next time you step out of the shower, perhaps you should rethink reaching for that harsh, chemical-laden antiperspirant spray. Instead, take a moment to deeply appreciate the wonderful, invisible microbial army working tirelessly to keep your skin healthy and fresh. The future of personal hygiene is not about becoming completely sterile. It is about cultivating the absolute perfect microscopic garden daily. This remarkable journey through the microscopic world of human body odor has revealed the astonishing complexity of our own evolutionary biology. We have learned that true cleanliness comes from achieving perfect biological harmony, rather than pursuing absolute and total microbial destruction forever. As science continues to advance rapidly, we will undoubtedly discover even more incredible secrets hidden within the fascinating microscopic universe inside. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible educational journey through the magnificent and truly fascinating microscopic universe today. Please remember to subscribe to Microbe World and leave a thoughtful comment below about which amazing microorganism we should explore next.